ScanTheSun is the first augmented reality app to design effective photovoltaic installation within 1 minute. Finally, no need to climb on your roof to take measurements. Just measure your building comfortably from your garden or street. Moreover, mark obstructions around the building that affect energy yield and installation design. Get the yield map on your roof immediately, and the yield forecast with month and even hours resolution. Moreover, automatically create standard installation project with flat panels placement on roof surfaces. Get yield from individual panels with month and even with hours resolution. Moreover, make automatic effective installation design with panels tilted on roof surfaces to get the highest efficiency, the highest yield, and the lowest investment costs. All these you can get within 1 minute using ScanTheSun app on your smartphone. I'm Ernest Groner, a technology specialist.
Hi, I'm Jakub Jake. I have 10 years of commercial experience in US and 15 in Central Eastern Europe, launching new business lines and developing large B2B accounts.